Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Aston Martin DB12, the brand's latest and greatest Grand Tour. Exterior: the DB12 is a stunner to look at, with its sleek and elegant design. It's clear that Aston Martin has put a lot of thought into every detail, from the sweeping lines of the bodywork to the intricate design of the headlights and taillights. Interior: the interior of the DB12 is just as impressive as the exterior. It's trimmed in the finest materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The craftsmanship is top-notch, and the overall feel is one of luxury and refinement. Engine and performance: the DB12 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces 671 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. This gives the car incredible acceleration and top speed. Driving impressions: the DB12 is a dream to drive. It's incredibly fast and agile, but it's also comfortable and refined. The suspension soaks up bumps with ease, and the steering is precise and responsive. The Aston Martin DB12 is the ultimate Grand Tour. It's a car that offers the best of both worlds, luxury and performance. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, the DB12 is the car for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Aston Martin DB12.